everyone, it's svgcoop.com with another training video for you, and we are working in Inkscape right now. We're going to work on a project that one of the other students asked me to do. So we're doing a specific file, and she wanted to know how to do this. So I opened up a new document in Inkscape, and we're going to go to File, Import, and in the file that I sent you, you're going to see a tree JPEG. So just hit Open. And I'm just going to center it kind of on my page a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Path, Trace Bitmap, and I'm just going to make this a bit bigger so we can see. And I want to bring down my colors to a 2, and I'm going to bring my scans down to a 2, and I'm going to hit Remove Background. And I also want to do a live preview so I can see. And you can see we have a black and white version of the image. Now, of course, we do have a couple of these little spots here, and I'll show you how you can fix those. Alright, so we're just going to hit OK. And then I'm going to close this window. And we have our new image here, so I'm just going to drag the new one away. And I'm going to delete my original. And then I'm going to zoom in to fit the page. It's this little magnifying glass here. So just make it a little bit bigger so we can see. And I'm just going to bring this down and make this a little bit smaller here for us. Oops, I'm going to undo that actually. I do this all the time. I forget to hit the lock. So I'm going to hold the lock and then drag this down a little. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is, because the image was gold, I want to have my cutout be gold as well. So I'm just going to grab my rectangle tool, and just inside of the shape, I'm just going to draw a rectangle, and yes, mine's blue. But I'm going to change that color to a goldish color. And then I want to do Object, lower to bottom. And then with my black arrow tool, I'm going to shift select the black so that I have both layers selected. And then we're going to do Path, Difference. And you can see now you end up with just the gold pieces. Now I'm going to zoom in a bit because you can see we have pieces that are broken. So the way that we've been doing that in Inkscape is with our pencil tool. And we're just going to draw some connecting lines here. Just try and make it fill in a little bit. And you know, I'm using a mouse, and you're probably going to be using a mouse as well, which doesn't work as well as a stylus pen if you have one. But you can fill these in and just, with your pencil, just kind of make it a little bit fuller. Now, of course, if you zoom in more and take your time a little bit more, you can make it prettier than I'm doing, because I'm not doing a very good job right now. But basically that's what you're going to do. You're going to fill in these swirls and stuff, and you can just kind of come along and fill that in. Unfortunately, Inkscape would not be my first choice to use to do this image. I would probably do this in Illustrator because I could make the connections here a little bit smoother. But it can be done, so I just wanted to show you how it can be done. And that would be it. That's all it takes for you to make this image into an SVG. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more videos.